没事，回头可以剪掉。回头可以剪掉的，不是问题。Hi, my name is Charlie.
My name is Oscar.
Today we are going to talk about climate change.
Our audience is the Canadian government.
In this video, we will provide the government with information on climate change and some solutions. Indirectly, mitigates the impact of climate change on humans.
Our presentation is divided into 4 parts: concept, exposition, analysis, and solution.
First, what is climate change? Climate change refers to statistically significant change in climate mean and climate dispersion values, such as change in average temperature, average precipitation, maximum temperature, minimum temperature, and extreme weather events. It is often said that global warming is one of the important manifestations of climate change.
Why we chose climate change as our topic? This has to mention the impact of climate change on our life. We chose climate change as our topic because this issue is affecting everything around us. It's affecting citizens healthy, like you and me. A lot of commodity prices, like crops, water, and it's also affecting the sustainable development of future generations. I will explain more in detail later. Because greenhouse gases emitted by human activities trap heat in the atmosphere, uh, average global temperature and Canadian temperature continue to rise. This will have many negative impacts on Earth's environment and human beings.
These two images are changes in glacier in the Arctic, and we can clearly see the massive reduction in glacier volume, which is the most direct harm of climate change to the planet. Next, I'm going to play a short video about how Arctic glacier changed from 1984 to 2019. At the same time, the melting of glaciers indirectly leads to rapid sea level rise. From the graph, we can clearly see that the melting rate of glaciers was not fast between 1900 and 1930. After 1930, the rate of glacier melting began to accelerate significantly. Also, there were small fluctuations in the data during this time, but this did not affect the final results. By 1992, the rate of glacier melting had increased dramatically.
How it affects peoples? First of all, climate change negatively impacts our personal safety. Warmer temperatures lead to an increase in pollutants and allergens, such as uh, particulate matters and surface ozone. Poor air quality leads to reduced lung functions, increased risk of asthma or other respiratory illnesses. Some families with poor economic conditions cannot spend money to treat these diseases. If these diseases are not treated in time, they will gradually worsen and lead to death. Natural disasters like hurricanes, tsunami, floodings that claim thousands of lives in Canada will be more frequent and intense with climate change. Even with better prevention measures, frequent and irregular natural disasters are likely to cause more people to lose their life in disasters. Heat stress can lead to heat stroke, heat rash, uh, heat cramps, or heat exhaustion. These are all dangerous illnesses. Even a little carelessness can lead to death. If this With the continuously rising average temperature, heat stress will put more people's life in danger.
Secondly, climate change causes a commodity price to rise. For example, water, food, and house price. So, how are they related to each other? Glaciers in the highlands are the first step in the water cycle. The rock, they lock in fresh water. If temperatures rise, glaciers cannot continue to form. Fresh water resources will dwindle, and water price will rise. Rising temperature can lead to extreme droughts, which further lead to poor crop yield, and fewer crops lead to higher food price. Among them, the three priors prevalence, which are the breadbasket of Canada, happen to be on the leeward side of the Rocky Mountains and are prone to droughts. Due to rising sea levels, coastal cities will become less and less land-based. So every inch of land will become more precious, and the housing price will rise accordingly. Several natural disasters can destroy a city's infrastructure and even set its economy back. The country need to spend the country need to spend a lot of money to rebuild. The human economic development will thus become unsustainable. That is our presentation. Thank you.
没完呢。
Several natural disasters can destroy a city infrastructure and even set its economy back. The country needs to spend a lot of money to rebuild. Human economic development will thus become unsustainable.
So how do we solve climate change issue? I will play a video after and show you our solutions. These are our citations. All of the website we used in the research process or give our ideas are included in it.
So that is all of content for our video. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.